I like fixing stuff with that. Yeah. I don't know the instructions, bro. Okay. This one's gonna be so far down. Okay, hold on. I think I have to switch the buttons up on. I know all the buttons are. I don't know why I'm just playtesting. I don't know reason at all. Hold on. I'm gonna switch the buttons up a little bit. Hold on. So I'm gonna place this button. Wait, no, hold on. Grab the how to play button. Put that with the quit button. Put the how to play button. Hold on, is that good layout or is that like bad layout? I think it's bad layout. I don't really like that. I like this better. It just looks better. I'll try, is this good? Times is good. I already don't know if it's good. Okay. So this is all I got so far, chat. So like, let me just play. This is the farthest I've gotten. New one. And he spawns. You can probably see him more better on this. Like for me, I can see him better on my PC, on my other PC screen. For me, I can see him like a lot because like I changed his color. I don't know what I'm trying to say, bro. What am I trying to say? Yeah, for some reason he only moves when you're not looking at him. I got banned from Roblox. Why? How? I didn't do anything. Sometimes Roblox just falsely bans. Like, did they terminate your account, or did they like actually did they full on just like delete your account, like terminate it, or did they just ban you for a couple of days? No, just for a day. Then I'm pretty sure someone okay, so here's what might have happened. Someone might have went to your avatar, they might have falsely reported it, and then they got you banned for a day, and also your avatar probably resetted. Or you had an inappropriate avatar or you did something in the past, and it's Roblox. Because sometimes Roblox just decides to ban people for something they did in the past, which makes no sense. Well, I did have a glitch avatar. Well, if you have a glitch avatar, then that... Wait, like, what do you mean by glitch avatar? Like, what do you mean by that? Like, did you have, like, a still burnout avatar? Like, those are, like, tiny still burnout avatars? Or something, I don't know. Roblox banned me for something I did when I first joined the platform. Yeah, sometimes Roblox just bans you for absolutely no reason, or sometimes Roblox just bans you for something you did in the past, which is kind of crazy. Because, I mean, if it was in the past, it's in the past, okay? Like, it's in the past, okay? A giant wall. Wait, so you got banned for having a giant wall as your avatar? Okay, I'm pretty sure Roblox just falsely banned you for no reason. A giant wall with emote. What? What even is that? What even is that? How is that bannable? Like, how is having an avatar, how is having a wall as your avatar bannable? With an emote? What emote? Yeah, also nice game, thanks. Roblox's ban system is just kind of crazy. Put in this layered clothing with Shelly. Okay. I'm not even gonna read that. It just makes it giant. What do you mean by that? Okay. Maybe maybe someone just reported your avatar or something, and then like also I'm pretty sure when you walk back in, your avatar will probably just be resetted. Also, guys, hold on. Okay. So, hold on. Also, okay. But also, here's the starting page for the game. You can see. We got. Oh, what the? Oh, I forgot I still have this zoomed in. Also, guys, for some reason, this took me so long to figure out how to edit, what's it called? It took me so long to figure out how to edit, Instagram pages. I don't know why it took that long. It's weird wall. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty Sigma. Yeah. Also, there's some like other games that I never fully published. Like all of these games are just gone. Like none of these games I've actually published. So what's occurrence? I'm not watching no random video you send me, bro. Like, why am I gonna watch a random video you send me? Also, I really don't know why I would. Chat. If you were to download this old version, you probably wouldn't be able to join the server anyways, cause what's it called? Cause the game is basically cooked. The playpack got deleted, so I mean, I'm just gonna delete all these games. Actually, I might keep up with VR Reborn too. I'm gonna keep these games up. I'm just gonna delete Chimp Panic. Okay, this game is actually dookie. Now I'm gonna delete SSO versions because for some reason I don't know why I made these. I mean, I still have the Scary Spooky old versions. I'm probably just not gonna make a version like this. Yeah. Also, yeah, these are just my old games. Like these are my VR games that I never. Actually, no, hold on. Wait. So. Hold on. You can't even do this. You can't even play this game because there is no servers for this game anymore. So, I mean, what's the point of downloading this game? Also, we have 2 servers are gone, so what's the point of re-downloading this game? So, yeah. That's all I've done. Hold on, chat, what should I add to the game? What should I add to the game, chat? Hold on. What should I add to the game? I mean, I'm already gonna add. Okay, so here's like the main like thing. Like here's like the main like objective for the game. Basically, your you're on your computer, and you kind of gotta like do assignments on your computer, while a monster is also trying to get you in your room. But yeah, basically you gotta turn your flashlight at him and also do your assignments at the same time. Also, guys, if you hear the mic in the background, don't worry about that. But yeah, add Easter egg, please. I beg you. Well, what kind of Easter egg would it be? I don't know. Oh, chat boo boo Easter egg. Chat boo boo Easter egg. Boo boo Easter egg. I still have the boo boo Easter egg. Ooh. Chat, we're adding boo boo. Chat, we're adding boo boo. Ooh. 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 Anything's gonna like anything that I make is gonna have blue in it, okay? Like there's nothing stopping me from adding my own body into the game. So obviously I'm gonna add blue to any game I make, cause yeah. And then I just gotta bake the lighting, and then he should be good. Also, let's hope that yeah, you can see him. Yeah, you should probably be able to see him. Okay. There, you can see him. He's right there. Boo-boo! Ooh, the bunny. Wait, don't touch it. Should Boo be on the side, or should it be on the top? Yeah, so like, should Boo be on the side or the top? Well, I mean, there is no way for you to actually get out of bounds. I might stream one day, but I don't have to hide my face cam. Well, you don't have to add a face cam. That's like not you like you don't need to like you don't have to have a webcam or you don't have to have a webcam for streaming, because like that's just like I don't know, that's just random stuff I can just say. I mean, you don't have to have the webcam. You can just, like, not have one. But, I mean, different platforms for streaming, to be honest. I mean, what kind of platforms do you use? I mean, I use Streamlabs because I like Streamlabs. And stuff. Also, Zoink uses Streamlabs, so that's also another reason why I use Streamlabs. There you go, Boo Boo Easter egg on top. I mean, I think Streamlabs is like better than OBS. I just think that for no reason, but I just think Streamlabs is better than OBS because you can actually have your own alert boxes. You can have your own chat messages, and you can also add your own viewer count. And yeah, you can do a bunch of things with OBS. I mean, you can do a bunch of other things with Streamlabs than you can do with OBS. So, I mean, yeah, like, I can just add a bunch of things. Like, I can literally just add collab cam. I can add just widgets. Like, I can add credit, jar, spin wheel. I can add a bunch of things. What's the purpose of the game? I just explained it. Basically, the purpose of the game, I mean, it's not like the actual, like the objective is basically to you're in a house, obviously, and there's a shadow. I mean, it's not really a shadow, but I mean, it's like there's like a monster that looks like a shadow, but I really don't know what to call him. I just call him Shadow, but yeah, basically. Oh my god. Okay. But basically, you're in the house, obviously, and there's a monster that's in your room, and and basically, you got to do your assignments on your computer before the monster gets you. But also, you have a flashlight, so you can defend yourself. But that's not realistic because you can't fight off a shadow. But okay. I don't know, Shadow. It's video games. Okay. Name him a random scary object. That would be funny. Which imagine someone. Wait, so you know that guy named Horoscope? What was his name? Like he goes out of bounds into games and he like checks in the game files and stuff, and he get to see I got of bounds stuff. Well, basically, what if he just dig into the game files and he just finds random scary object? Bro, not bro. I've also, yeah, this is like, but also, okay, so if you ever do make a game, don't always make the main menu first, cause that's like, I made a monster I made a monster and named him Little Man. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what it could be used for, but use the words ICU for something. Oh, my mouse just died. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, my mouse is charging real quick. I don't know why I think about this, but I mean, hold on. So what if? Okay, so basically, the monster gets closest. Maybe it's kind of like the little creature in every game. Yeah. But hold on. So basically, maybe I could use the ICU for something like. Hold on. Maybe. Oh, actually, I have an idea. Maybe like when so the monster he keeps on getting closer to you, like when you're not looking. But like, hold on. Don't name him. Oh my god. Okay. But maybe when he gets too close to you, maybe the screen will start glitching out, and then it will say "I see you," and then you gotta look behind you, and then he'll be behind you and stuff. Yeah. I just go play. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so I played it sometimes with unfocused because. Hey, Blue Ghost. Also, Blue Ghost, this is not a PC game. Okay, this is not a PC game. This is. Oh no. I don't know what am I saying? This is not a Gorilla Tag fan game. It's a PC game. Which you only gotta use 2 buttons for this game. It's the space bar and the F bar. Or what did I name it? F bar. Oh my god. So you only gotta use 2 buttons for this. Space bar and F. Because space bar is to look around, and F is to turn on your flashlight. But also, there is no jump scare for this game yet. You should make like a progress bar that takes kind of long. I mean, like, how would the progress bar be used though? Also, because this isn't a Girl Tech fan game. Also, how would you even get mod in a PC game? Like, how would you get mod in an indie horror game? That makes how close he gets. Oh wait, hold on. Wouldn't that technically be cheating? Cause you basically know when to look. Because I'm trying to make it like as scary as possible. What are you talking about? I'm making a PC horror game instead of a Girl Tag fan game. Yeah. Maybe for devs only then? I mean, like, I'm the only dev, so I mean, I'm pretty sure I would only get it. But also, I really won't know how I even do that, cause, hold on. So like when you're on the computer, you need to click a button that says "click to work" or something. Take like 2 minutes or something, and you can't. Wait, that's kind of a fire idea though. You can't look back too long or else the computer will be hijacked. I mean, that's a kind of fire idea though. Also, if you look at him with the flashlight for like a long time, he resets back to his normal position. Okay, so I'm going to basically show you how the monster works. So basically, there is 2 start points that basically move him. Okay, so one of them, hold on. I'm going to show you in this scene. Hold on, let me unplug my mouse. Okay. So in monster stuff, there's a start point, which is where he spawns, and then there's an end point, which is where he stops at and starts. He get jump scared and lose. Okay, that's kind of fire. Okay, but basically this is the end point. This is where he starts staring at you for 10 seconds until you get jump scared. But then, so in the little script thingy, I made a couple thingies. So the box collider is so, like, yeah, the stuff works and stuff. Then we've got all this stuff, which once you get a hijack, he gets faster. Okay. Okay. That's pretty fire though. That's a pretty fire idea though, I'm not kidding. But we got the move step, which this is how close, this is how much he moves. And then the move interval is how much he moves, like, or it's like how much he moves per second. So he'll move 1 step every 5 seconds. Then the spawn delay. So basically shadow is disabled by default. But after 10 seconds is up, he gets enabled, then he starts doing his stuff. But then flashlight hold time, maybe it can just say you. Okay. Basically, the flashlight hold time is basically how much you gotta look at him for him to be reset back to his normal position. The ignore time is how long he has to be standing at the end point before he jump scares you. Then the breathing is the, like, just it's basically just saying that the breathing is basically just like what, like, he'll start breathing when he gets to the end point. And then monster Q, with the spawn Q, is the Q when he spawns and stuff. Also, guys, don't worry about this. You can't see this in game, nor you can't see this either, because the player, you can't really walk around. You can't even like move your. I mean, you can move your mouse, but you just can't like move the player's head. You can only press spacebar to move the head and stuff. But also the text, this is just the UI stuff. What the heck happened? Okay. But yeah, so what the monster looks like and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty Sigma. But yeah, so now on chat, should I start working on the PC UI stuff? Like, should I start working on the PC stuff? Or should I do something else? VR Easter egg? I mean, how does that even work? Sure, I mean, I think that's like one of the last things I have to do. Then I just gotta polish up the game, and then it should be ready for launch. You know what I mean? But also, this game will be free on itch.io. I'll probably make a demo for this game. I'll probably make a demo for this game. So I just agreed 3 days, because the full game is gonna have like 5 days or maybe 7. It might have like 6 or 7 days. Oh my god! I just said this. Okay, cool. But this game might have. Yeah, demo. Yeah, okay. So basically, I'm probably gonna upload like a public test, like a public demo on the itch.io page, and it's gonna have like 3 days, and then it's gonna have like 3 actual game days. So like there's gonna be 3 different times you gotta do the stuff, and then yeah. But every single day the monster will get faster and faster and stuff. Yeah. But also the one thing is there's a lot of games on this audio that is named Don't Turn Around. So which I might be cooked, but I don't know. I don't know why I read that as demos. For like demos are the best way to go for public testing. I don't know why I read it like that. Okay, but I didn't do that. We'll go for this computer UI. Oh, I'm not gonna code in any of my streams because I'm pretty sure that would bore you guys. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. I can't really do that yet. I gotta actually. No, you know a good free multiplayer software for a computer game? Because I'm gonna add multiplayer to my platformer game. Wait, so is it like are you using Unity? Like are you using Unity for your game engine? Because if you're not, I really don't know. Well, so I've never tried making a platformer game. So okay, so are you using Unity? Okay, well, let me see this. I mean, I've used this for like a lot of my games, but I'm pretty sure this is for 3D. But I've never actually tried making a platformer game, so I don't really know how to make that kind of stuff. Yes, yeah, I think it's for 3D instead of. Yeah, I was gonna say coherence, but okay, yeah. Okay. But I mean, if you are making a 3D multiplayer game, you should probably use coherence. But the one thing that is bad about coherence is, it's like the dookie. It's like it's the like. I mean, the multiplayer works. It works, but it's just that it's just kind of bad. I mean, it's just like you can connect to lobbies. It's just that it's just like the little like connecting stuff. It just looks bad. I don't know. I'm sorry, but it just looks bad. I really don't know. I mean, I haven't used this in like a long time, so I mean, it's probably got a lot of updates. But if you ever are gonna make a 3D multiplayer game, I would probably use coherence because it's the most easiest to set up. But I mean, I'll probably change up the UI and stuff if you were gonna make it. Okay, panel. Where do you, what? Dang, that's bright. Oh my god. Image. Ow, my eyes. Where do you, okay, that hurt my eyes. Where do you download? Where do you download that, or is it on Package Manager? Okay, so it is on Package Manager. You just go to the Unity Asset Store and you just look up Coherence Multiplayer Networking, and you just add it to Assets, and then you refresh. Then you have to go to Package Manager, My Assets, refresh, or press check for updates. Then it should be there. You gotta download it, then import it, and then yeah, it should have like it should have like a little tutorial when you get done importing it. Well, I haven't used coherence in like a long time, so I know there's a tutorial when you use it and stuff. Wait, hold on, chat. This could go hard. Hold on, just go hard. Wait, hold on, just go hard. Hold on, the Windows XP background or the Windows 10 or the Windows 10 background. I think the Windows XP background. I'm pretty sure the Windows XP background will go crazy, bro. Hold on. Background. Okay. Then we gotta add the actual like buttons and stuff for it. I don't know why I pressed wrong image. Hold on. So, hold on. So, I gotta see how this even works. Okay, so like, how would the piece? I know like how it would work, but I'm trying to figure out how I would actually do that. Okay, so like, let me see. Okay, I think I have it. Okay, so the little red button. Oh no, actually, hold on. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, hold on. Okay. Raw image. Gonna scale it up a little bit. Oh no, actually. I don't know why I added a raw image. Like a button. Okay. So in the button. Okay. Button. I gotta change the font stuff. Button. Be quick to work. Okay. We're gonna do like a little this. Okay. Okay, then click to work button. Also, sometimes I have to space it out because sometimes it doesn't really want to work and stuff. Button. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna look at that and stuff to scale it up. Okay, hold on. Well, it doesn't even fade. It just. Okay, it doesn't even fade. Okay, cool. So we're gonna make click to. Okay, so when you press the click to work. Okay, hold on. So when you press click to work. Okay, hold on. When you press click to work. I got to get this. Progress features so that you know how close you are to being done. Yeah, hold on. Okay. Why am I even doing that? Okay. So when you press click to work, it's gonna show you like he's gonna keep typing something, connect some dots, do some stuff. I don't know. Oh. So you can press click to work, you're gonna press click, then gonna like type in some stuff. So we're gonna get an input field. Oh, actually no, like how about actually hold on. So when you press click to work, going to disable the click to work button obviously because you want that to show anyway. Then you're going to I downloaded coherence. Okay. Input field. Oh no. Okay. I can barely even read the text, bro. Like, I can barely even read it. Jay, you see what I mean? I can barely even read the text. Okay, hold on. So click to work. Okay. Input field. And the click to work button. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so basically you should be able to click the little things and then, yeah. And you be able to like, you be able to type in stuff. Can't even see my cursor. Okay. Yeah, there you can spell stuff. What the heck? I've never seen this in Unity before. What the heck is this? Okay, I've never seen that before. I'm trying to think. Hold on. I'm trying to think. I was gonna end stream. Yeah, like, demo probably be out in like maybe like a week or so, maybe more than a week. I don't know. I don't know when it's coming out, but okay. Hey guys.